Hello and welcome to the second video in my series of crafting videos. My name is Julie Chipple and this is Julie Chipple Creations, and today we're working with letters and we're making them really decorative, except we're using up our craft supplies to do it. Now this could be the letter of your name, this could be the letter of your favorite thing. Maybe like me, you like bees. I've gone for the queen bee. Maybe you like dogs or cats. Whatever it is, pick a letter, cut it out, and then pick a piece of coloured card to stick it on, whatever makes you joyful or makes you feel happy. And yeah, you take your glue stick. Sorry, I'm knocking my camera a bit. Take your glue stick and you just want to stick that down once you've cut this out onto your card. And if like me, grab some felt tip pens or pencil colours and get colouring it in. Or if you want, if you've got tissue paper, you could take some of your glue, put some glue on and, squeeze some tissue paper onto your letters. Just give it a different look and some volume as well. And likewise, if you've got stickers, you don't have to have ones like these that are more like gems. Any flat stickers, butterflies of nature or anything, get them all out. If you've got googly eyes, why not pick the letter O and make a funny face, right? Get some foam stickers. I have plenty in my stash left over. They're just foam shapes with, a sticky back on them. That's what I've brought into the mix here, or wooden letters. Love them, absolutely love them. They're so easy to use. You could either use a glue stick, super glue, the quickest and less messy option, and also very strong option, is your double-sided tape. So just cut off a tiny bit of that, stick it on the back of your letter, peel off the back and press it down, and it's good to go. So yeah, you've got so many options for what you can do with this craft, and most of all, it's just making the most of what you already have. Do not go out and buy anything especially for this. Raid your stash. What are those things that have just been sat there for what feels like an eternity not being used? Is it those flowers? Is it those googly eyes? Are there some decorative buttons that are so pretty but you've never used? Maybe you want to make a keepsake that celebrates your love of sewing, or a hobby that someone else loves. Maybe you could make something that's based on sewing, or something else. Maybe you could have some ribbon on there as well, that could make someone else feel joyful. It could, and if you wanted to, you take an A4 piece of card, fold it in half, and it can become a card. So maybe you've done your big detail here, you've used one of your felt tip pens to write out what the word is that has significance for you, and then on the inside perhaps you're putting a little note in there. Maybe you're thanking someone for how lovely they are. Maybe you chose to go with flowers, and so you've covered this in flowers and hearts, and that's because you want to show your appreciation for someone, or you just want to show some, create something that makes you smile or happy, or you've used cats, or cat shapes, or whatever you've got. The point is, with a piece of card, coloured card or paper, a printed out or hand-drawn letter, cut out, a few stickers, a few bits and bobs from the craft drawer, your marker pens, your felt tip pens or colouring pencils, a bit of glue, double-sided tape, maybe some foam pads if you want to raise them up, and you're on your way, and you've hopefully engaged in a craft activity that has given you joy. If it's not giving you joy, you need to pick some different things or different colours, and has led you to create something that makes you feel happy, or helps you, make something that makes someone else feel happy. Either way, that is the point. And it's really simple, and hopefully it'll be really fun. I'm actually quite pleased with how mine turned out. This was the short rundown video.